Welcome to Hawaii's best hike, the Ka'au Crater Hike. This hike has it all. I'm talking about 3 different waterfalls. One to take a dip in, another that is excellent for taking pictures at, then a third waterfall you literally hike on top of it. Then at the top of that, you hike around this narrow ridge of this massive crater. But here we start off hiking alongside a stream through this viney Oahu rainforest. Now enjoy watching the rest of this guide to the Ka'au Crater Hike and post any questions you have below. It takes about 1 hour to get to the first waterfall, but it is so worth it, and it is beautiful all along the way. The trail, while unmaintained, is marked with orangish pink ribbons. If you got a late start, you might just want to quickly stop by this waterfall. It is serene and well worth the stop, but if you have time, take a dip. And if you happen to find my glasses here, you can mail them back to me. When you are done, you hike up alongside this waterfall. The trail has plenty of ropes to help you get through. Soon, you get to waterfall number 2. You can get right up to this waterfall, and it is mostly good for snapping just a picture or two. Some people think hiking up these waterfalls is scary. I actually didn't think it was too bad. The scariest part of this hike is later, hiking along the ridge, but you don't even have to do that if you don't want. After you go up the waterfall, you go back down and make your way to waterfall number 3. This was the most fun, as you literally hike up the waterfall and you have plenty of rope to help you go through, and you even cross the waterfall at certain points. Once at the top, you have made it to the crater. If you are not a thrill seeker, snap a few photos and turn around. If you are, then you continue to the summit before you walk around this narrow ridge that is literally a drop-off on both sides of you. At times during this ridge, you rely solely on a rope to get you through, but the views are spectacular and so worth it. This hike is 5 to 8 hours long, depending on how much you stop. It is pretty well marked with colored ribbons. To do this hike, you must be in good shape, pack light, and bring plenty of water to do the whole hike. The Ka'au Crater Ridge can be very scary for a lot of people. At times, you rely solely on a rope, so do that part at your own risk. The hike is kind of muddy at some points as well. Do not hike after a heavy rain or if it is really windy that day. That being said, this is my favorite hike that I have ever done. I highly recommend doing it. Watch my Oahu, Maui, and Big Island travel guide videos if you want to know all the best things to do in Hawaii. Below I have important links about this hike and everything I used to film my videos. Mahalo for watching.